Hello everyone, my name is Ryan. Mm, so we are going to make Twitter clone using Django and React. We are also going to use Django channels for making this real time for our notifications and chat system. And I uploaded this demo, so this is what we're going to build. I will put the link in the description so you can watch all 3 minutes of it. Basically, it has got tweet feature, tweet share, and chat system, and chat system is in real time. Hmm. It's like this. So yeah, I can send. Yeah, and it will be in real time. And I've got lots of requests for making this a detailed tutorial, and I've got lots of emails about this too. So yeah, I thought why not make a detailed tutorial on this, but this will be too long. So yeah, I hope I can make this. So yeah, let's start this.